Hey everyone, ever wondered how some YouTube creators are getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars without ever showing their face? In today's video, I am going to talk about how to make faceless YouTube shorts typically feature eye-catching visual. And the best part, these shorts are not just about views, they are a serious income stream. Thanks to YouTube's monetization policies, creators are earning thousands of dollars through ad revenue. So now let me show you how to create faceless YouTube shorts that grab attention using Clipwise. With just a simple text prompt, you can make engaging short videos in a matter of minutes. Whether you are into history, sharing random facts, or showcasing cool spots in your city, Clipwise has got you covered. So faceless videos are trending and Olympics 2024 is just going on. There is a massive opportunity to create content that attracts millions of views. You can do all without ever showing your face. So sign up with your email. And here you can select from various language options. Then you can choose the duration and simply type out your idea. For example, if you are passionate about the Olympics, you could type something like top 3 most inspiring Olympics athletes. Next, choose a theme that suits your video topic. Clipwise offers multiple video themes such as oil painting, documentary style, watercolors, classic, cinematics, and others. Once you have picked a theme, hit the generate button. Clipwise then uses its AI to create a compelling script and create stunning visuals that perfectly match your chosen theme. You can review the script, select from different voiceover options.
Everything in the universe goes by indirection.
Good actions give strength to us.
We've all heard of the Kennedy family.
And even add your own personal touch to the script if you like. And if you are not happy with an image, you can click the pencil icon and generate a different one. Once you are satisfied with the script, click on the next button. And here we have a variety of customization options to enhance our video. You can choose background music to set the perfect mood for your video. Customize the caption style.
The Olympics, a stage where dreams are made and legends are born.
By selecting different fonts, colors, and positions.
The Olympics.
And ensure your subtitle is easily readable. Clipwise also offers various video overlay options, allowing you to add visual effects that complement your content and make it even more engaging. After completing this customization, our final video is ready to be shared. Here you can preview it.
The Olympics, a stage where dreams are made and legends are born. But some stories transcend the games themselves, reminding us of the indomitable spirit within us all. Wilma Rudolph, defying childhood polio and predictions she'd never walk, became the first American woman to win 3 Olympic gold medals. She didn't just run, she soared. Eric LeGrand and Derek Redmond, despite career-ending injuries,
and now you can also download the video to your PC. And now let me create another video. Here I will add the text prompt. Unbelievable Olympic world records you won't believe. Then choose the visual theme, click on generate. Choose the voiceover. If you want, you can also edit the script. Then click on next. Choose the background music and video overlay. And done. And here is our video.
You think you know the Olympics? Think again. We're about to dive into some record-breaking feats so unbelievable, they seem straight out of fiction. Bob Beeman's 1968 long jump in Mexico City wasn't just record-breaking, it was mind-blowing. His 890-meter leap, equivalent to clearing 2 Mini Coopers, remained unbeaten for an astounding 23 years.
So Faceless YouTube Shorts are changing the game for creators everywhere. If you want to start earning from this trend, now is the time. And Clipwise offers affordable pricing plans. The Viral Lite plan at $25 per month includes 1200 credits, up to 40 videos, unlimited audio video settings, and priority generation. The Viral Pro plan, priced at $49 per month, offers 2400 credits, up to 80 videos, everything in Lite, plus private video options. For more advanced needs, the Viral Studio plans at $79 per month provides 4000 credits, up to 125 videos, everything in Pro, and video call supports. Each plan is designed to meet different content creation needs efficiently. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for today's video. Give this video a like, comment down below if you have any question, and we will see you in the next video.